Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. It has begun. That which you fear the most is coming upon Labour Party. They started by saying that they didn't mean any harm. They went ahead and went on press releases insisting that there are more internal issues that meets the eye. Bit by bit, they're making their intentions known. They went ahead, called Peter Obi a liar. But right now, the worst fear is out. Now we're going to find out what is happening right now. While the court case is going, tribunal case is going on in Abuja, there is another one going on in Kano, whereby Labour Party candidates who have won the seats cut across board using the governorship candidacy of OT is now in court, and their mandate may just be retrieved. Now we're going to find out the full details on that. Before we go into news proper, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, there's a federal high court sitting in Kano, presided over by Justice M.N. Yunusa, has nullified the candidature of the Abia State Governor-elect Dr. Alex Otti and all the candidates of the Labour Party in Abia State and in Kano State. Hey! The court ruled that their emergence was not in compliance with the provisions of the 2022 Electoral Act. A copy of the judgment delivered by the court was obtained this morning. The court in suit number FHC/KN/CS/107/2023 filed by Mr. Ibrahim Haruna Ibrahim against the Labour Party and the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC ruled that the failure of the Labour Party to submit its membership register to the INEC within 30 days before their primaries renders the process invalid. The party that has not complied with the provisions of the Electoral Act cannot be said to have candidates in an election and cannot be declared winner of an election. This being so, the vote credited to the first defendant is a wasted vote, the judge ruled. I can't even go into more details. It's painful. Let's take a retrospect very quickly back to when this whole process began. There was nothing they did not do against Dr. Alex Otti. They had to do this, went on supplementary, they said this, that. INEC official, electoral returning officer, announced now, story here, story there, story there. Labour Party officials, obedient, were following up. If you want supplementary, no problem. People came out en masse. To the point that even the returning officer they used, the VC, her name also incidentally is Professor Mrs. Oti. They celebrated her in school because she went through a lot. Just to say no, she's not interested in the money. All she wants is just the right thing to be done. For the first time, Labour Party produced a governorship candidate that won. And on the mandate of Peter Obi, on the integrity of Peter Obi, people just wanted Labour Party to cut across, but he won. And now, look at the very excuses. Nigerians have brought out very witty evidences against the ruling party over presidential candidate. They fizzled it down on technical issues, and Alex Otti, and in fact, to make matters interesting, Enugu State and Abia State, they had a lot of winnings. Labour Party won a lot of seats in senatorial seats, and in Kano too, they're nullifying their candidates too in Kano. Now imagine the level. It's as if they want to just provoke obedience. This one that has no issue, even PDP, those who won it don't even have any problem with it. Now the excuse, I don't know who is instigating this, but eventually, whoever that files this suit, eventually will get to know. They are playing it down. Now OT has to start going back to court whenever he is. Don't go and sleep because we don't even see Dr. Alex Otti in court. While you see the woman leader there, you see DG of the media there, you see Abure, national chairman there. Even the factional chairman said that is claiming a papa that know that his own aim is different. He still finds himself in the tribunal. Alex Otti, probably because he feels he has won. I've never seen his leg there after the winning. And now he now have a case to answer. And not just only him, he has a case to answer. He also has senatorial seats won across board in Abia State, all of them that won. You better stand up now. You're about to lose it. I know there will probably be, personally, I feel that there's going to be an exchange. If you don't want to lose your seat, better port to APC. Yes, or port to another ruling party. Because if you dare to do you will lose your seat. So they have to get now. If you don't want to get around Peter Obi, now is the time to get around Peter Obi. Don't be selfish here. You now have a common enemy. Gather now and defend your mandate. Now, to make matters interesting, this same technicality is what they want to. It's not that they did not say they did not win. No, they said now because they did not submit that. Did INEC say they have a problem with submission? If they have submitted the EC for 8A form without having an issue with it, why is it that now is when they're having issues? Nigerians are reacting across board. I think Alex Oti, Kano State Labour Party candidate that won in Kano State. I'm talking about senatorial seat and state of assembly. Same thing with Abia State. And if they succeed in Abia and succeed in Kano, please, Enugu should not sleep. Every place Labour Party won, Lagos State should not, because I know Lagos State also won a lot of seats. Yes, Lagos State, that seat that this person won, I'm talking about Banky W, that seat was won by a Labour Party person. And quite some other seats also in Lagos State was won by Labour Party. They're going to sweep it all. See, injustice to one, they say it's injustice to all. Let's not, because it doesn't concern you, and you say, okay, Peter Obi is, you know how to, this time around, if Peter Obi is saying, calm down, we will get our mandate legally, I'm sure OT will not go that way, because he knew what it cost him. He did the first race, he lost. And according to him, he believed he was rigged out because it was a ruling party, and in fact, it was a PDP state. So it would probably have been a bit difficult. And there's this kind of tsunami movement by Peter Obi and Obedient to be able to move, such votes towards him. And he got it. And now on technicality, even PDP self believe that they won, that they believe that Labour Party won fair and square. They said, look, even Ogwahin said, look, let not be any issue. Just let it go. Okay, I just want to hand over peacefully. So where is this suit coming from? This is not going to end well, if you ask me. And if anybody plays calm or plays to the gallery, they will just collect all your seats. Nothing will happen. After all, they play down issues that are very pertinent. They say it is technicality issue. How can INEC up till now cannot give 70% of the evidence, and they are still saying it is technical issue? And they're just watching. Everything is technical. And now on technical issue, they want to unseat Dr. Alex Oti that won the seat in Abia State. They want to unseat all the senators and honorables that won their seat in both Kano and Abia State, all on technical issues. Be playing. Before you know it, they are already taking your seat. Let's go wrap it up. Let's put in the comment section what's your take. This is definitely getting it.